Well, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Pmts. I'm just making a video at this point. I don't know. Dr. Mike, if you made a request, shout out to Dr. Mike Burry. He's the one that put this on the radar, but I haven't actually checked the comments for requests, so I don't know if you did request this, but I was just checking in on it because you put it on the radar recently. And yeah, man, it's doing great. It's doing really good since the past couple weeks. Up 16.5%. That's a bigger growth than most cryptos saw in the past 24 hours, and a lot of cryptos grew. Had a nice day yesterday. What's really nice about this day, is you're bouncing basically off this overbought area. You got out of the overbought zone and now you're back into it. Yes, you have bearish divergence, but I'm not worried about it, man. I think you're fine. I think you're wanting to move higher. Where are you going to go? You're at 25.13 right now. This thing wants to reach for 28 to 30 bucks, man. You're at 25 bucks right now. I'm talking like tomorrow's Thursday, right? By the end of this week, you could be up another 11 to 22%. Inverse to that, of course, you could pull back a little bit from here. Sure, you could pull back to 20 bucks and then pump. That could happen too. But the way that you're built right now, the way that you're moving, I would assume that you're probably on a nonstop train to $28, at least $28, if not up to about $31 before you see any kind of like correction or consolidation. Whether the consolidation is short-lived or long-lived, but like I would say that golden ratio area, that's your next target. So good job to Dr. Mike and the boys, man. Looking at the weekly RSI, you are in the overbought zone. That's nice to see. Very good, very, very nice. Man, this thing, whenever it gets in the overbought zone, it just, well, maybe not here. These are bad examples, but it doesn't stop. It normally stays in there, but let's just see. Yeah. Let's see here. Overbought. Different circumstances, I would say. I mean, it's kind of similar, but different circumstances. Definitely different areas in the charts as well. Here you're coming into lower lows, where here you had higher lows. Here you're below the green line, where here you're above the green line. I don't know. Different kind of dynamics at play there. I just want to see if I'm missing anything. Maybe the short-term time frames would let us know. Yeah, that 1 hour does look a little bit bearish, doesn't it, actually? But being at 24, I mean, you could reach to 28, man. You could like wick up there real quick, wick up there, and then like close down here. You'd have your higher highs, and you'd have your lower highs still, and you'd be able to have double bearish divergence. I mean, I stand by it. You're at about 25 bucks now. I think you're reaching for $28 or higher before you stop. So that's all I got to say. I just wanted to do a quick little update on this one, and yeah, that's that. So take care, everybody. I'll see you on the next one. 28 bucks, by the way. It's like right at this daily high. So right at your 618 overall, from this high to this low point, right at your golden retracement, and then also previous areas of resistance. It's beautiful, man. It's written in a storybook. You're so close. Being that it is your golden ratio and that there is significance on the charts, if you front ran it a little bit, I wouldn't be surprised. Again, if like maybe tomorrow you start selling off immediately, it could happen, but I genuinely think you're at least reaching for this range. If all goes according to plan, you'd at least reach for that, if not higher, and then you'd see some kind of correction. And the correction might take you back to these highs down at about 20 bucks. Perhaps you only go back to like 25 bucks or somewhere in between, but I wouldn't expect that you just continue to grow at an unprecedented rate without seeing some checkbacks along the way. And yeah, that's all I got to say. So take care. See you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.